Hi guys, so today is the day I am going to get Diana fixed. That's her laughing. So I'm gonna have her combination meter fixed and also change the front headlight bulbs from the bulbs that they are now into LED bulbs. I know. And then she's out of gas, obviously. So by the time I pick her up, I'll get gas and a car wash. She's getting spoiled today. So what I have to do is get all the ish that's in the 2 glove boxes I have up here and what the ish that's in here. And I think that's about it. And then I'm just gonna put it in the back of the car because it needs to all be clear and empty, because all of this console center area is gonna be gone and replaced. And I can't wait for her to be fixed and happy and good. So let's go. Days later. Ow! I burned myself. Okay, here we go. She lives! She lives! Just sat down in Diana and she lives. Oh, she has no gas, but she's gonna have to live. But yeah, she lives. So very happy. It's hot. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna give her a car wash, and yes, now I could truly get a good MPG rating, and I'm very happy about that because I pride this car on its MPG, and I wasn't able to get a good reading because the problem that I was having with that stuff up over there was making me reset this like every week, so I couldn't get a good reading. So now I'm gonna get a good reading of my MPG, and yeah, so now we're going to the car wash. Two days later. This car exhausts me. I'm exhausted. I'm starting to get to the point where I think Diana won. She won. You know? Like, I think she won. I'm tired. She's not acting correctly, and it's rude. It's very rude. I'm trying to go to work, and she won't turn on. Upset. Hours later. Obviously driving Diana right now. She's just playing with me. She's just playing games, keeping me on my toes, you know. She thinks it's cute, but I just came back from the mechanic. He said there's nothing wrong with her. She's an angel. Perfect. Nothing wrong with the battery, nothing wrong with the hybrid battery, nothing wrong with the engine, nothing wrong with the speedometer, nothing wrong at all. Nothing. So here I am driving her. So yeah, I have no other choice but to assume nothing.